MobyMax's Reading Level Assessment is an adaptive test designed to quickly provide teachers with the instructional grade level of the reading proficiency of each student. The assessment consists of a series of reading passages and comprehension questions. Students begin the test at their current grade level. As they complete the readings and comprehension questions, Moby adaptively moves the students up and down through the reading levels based on their ability to answer the questions. To access the results of a reading level assessment, sign into your teacher account and then click on the Curriculum tab at the top of the page. Next, click the Reading Level Test icon in the Language Arts section. Finally, click a student's name to view the details of their results. Click on the date of the test to see which questions they answered correctly and incorrectly, or click the test history icon next to their name to view each date that they were tested.